As our region's population grows and extreme weather becomes the norm, Contra Costa Water District is planning ahead by upgrading our aging open canal with a modern buried pipeline. This will improve safety and reliability, enhance water quality, and modernize your water infrastructure. Since 1940, the Contra Costa Canal has been our community's lifeline, delivering high-quality water to more than 520,000 residents. Every time you turn on your tap, you're connecting to this remarkable legacy. The 48-mile Contra Costa Canal operates in two distinct sections. The main canal stretches 26 miles from the Delta through Oakley to Clyde. Then the Loop Canal continues another 22 miles through Concord, Pleasant Hill, and Walnut Creek to Martinez. The canal supports the local economy and a trail system that connects residents to schools, businesses, and public transportation. After decades of reliable service, our canal now faces mounting challenges. Urban development has made maintenance more complex and, sadly, has increased the risk of dangerous accidental entries. The aging concrete liner often cracks and buckles, requiring costly repairs. Extreme weather events threaten service interruption and trigger landslides, filling the canal with debris that now requires year-round removal. That's why our dedicated teams work 24/7, patrolling, testing, and protecting your water supply from any contamination, whether accidental or intentional. But we're doing more than just maintaining. We're now working to replace the main canal with a buried pipeline to ensure clean, reliable water for generations to come. Serving today, planning for tomorrow. Learn more about our canal replacement program at ccwater.com/canal.